Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa. Nestled at the foot of Table Mountain, this vibrant city is home to stunning beaches, world-class wineries, and a rich cultural history. As you explore the city, you'll be struck by the diverse landscapes and neighborhoods that make up Cape Town. From the bustling city center to the peaceful suburbs, each area has its own unique character and charm. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is Table Mountain, a flat-topped mountain that towers over the city. Visitors can take a cable car to the top for panoramic views of the city, or hike to the summit for a more adventurous experience.